This is my $300,000 fully customized McLaren with my name on it. I'm sitting on it not to show off. I'm sitting on it so that anybody who doesn't know about Rob Level, me, it sounds weird to say it like that, understands that I truly live this life and I know how to run my record label and I know how to make money in the music industry. And I'm gonna help you do the same thing.
You're welcome.
So, to make money from your music, I've made this short 5-part video series so you can understand really how true business works and how to make money with your music. You're gonna see. And you don't have to watch them in any specific order. I separated them, but they're all important, so please don't miss any of them. The other 4 are gonna be in the description of this video. Let's get into it. I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. Let's talk about how you can start making money from your music. Number 2 is determining what motivates your followers, okay? So now that you're gonna have a better understanding of who the people who like your music are, you have to understand how to make contact with them. But first, the only way to properly reach them is to comprehend their true motivations for investing their time, energy, and money into your music. This is marketing psychology, and people don't know this. I know that I didn't know this. This is advanced stuff that you need to do that nobody else is doing. But the issue is that a majority of music marketers, they focus themselves on the music itself, just the music, okay? But it's not just about the music, it's about why would someone want to listen to the music? And people don't really go outside of it, like, well, my music's good. Like, is it? Do you even know if it is? You're just assuming. Well, who's the people who want to like your music, okay? You want to know who asked those questions? Record labels. The goal is to push a consumer's hot button, a fan's hot button, the underlying motivations for spending time and money on your music, on tickets, on merch, all that stuff, okay?
Yeah.
You have to understand that everybody's in it from human nature for what's in it for them. It's a fundamental question that everybody's asked when they're faced with a time or a money decision. What's in it for me? If I'm gonna spend money, why? If I'm gonna spend time, why? Even if it's subconscious, okay? So you gotta think, how can I appear more attractive to potential fans, right? How can I provide them with an experience such as a vibrational state with the music that makes them want to listen again? Because it's just not about the music. It's about what's in it for them is the feeling that your music gives them. See how there's a deeper meaning? You have to determine the motivational desire, the primary advantage that motivates people to invest their time and money into you and your music. Does your music elevate their mood? In what way? Does it provide them with escape from their crazy hard life? Does it allow them to grasp onto something that they're afraid of losing, right? Such as their youth, emotions, their sex appeal, their attractiveness, or other things, or other frustrations that they face, right? You have to ask your current fans, if you have any, more questions, make your observations, do your research, and utilize this information. This is business. The path to success in the music industry is determined by identifying the fundamental motivations that attract your fans to you and your music. That's it. I have cheat sheets for you on this stuff that you can get. smartrapper.com/programs. There's a bunch of free cheat sheets that are on every single page. There's different cheat sheets for every category that you're in. I also have over 100 masterclasses to help artists just like you and me, no matter where we're at in the music industry, get where you need to get. Because I've done it, I've been there, did label deals, I've done all this crap, and I've already overcome the hurdle, and I don't want you to have to waste your time overcoming the hurdle either. And that's why I made these masterclasses. They're all there for you. Make sure you hit subscribe for me. I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. Go get yourself some money, all right? And keep hustling. I'll see you at the top.
Like abortion, I ain't kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding.